This is part 2 of Keeping It Real. We gonna introduce Queen Lele and Queen Ocean. Come on, y'all, out to the Yeah.
Don't do that. They ain't paying no money. No.
Oh, really?
Right now.
Really, girl? Really? I'm Queen Lele, Amsterdam.
And I'm Queen Ocean, Pizza Rock.
And we with the business, really.
Try us.
So what you really?
Press that button. Boop.
Really, we with that business. You got that dough, we got that hodo.
Oh,
Really, you got that flow dough. Really, just ready.
Ready for whatever?
Ready for whatever.
Whatever.
So what y'all be doing on these streets out here in LA?
Basically, watch your step, Lil Mom. Don't trip, because it's your show. Watch your step.
Girl, look.
Basically, I'm going to let my big sister talk first, and I'm going to just
Girl,
see.
I don't got no stretch marks. So I be in the bra all day, belly out. I don't care, because I get paid. That's what I do.
Real money.
Yeah, I walk on the streets every day trying to find me a little Mexican that want to come out and play. What? You heard me? I don't need that pimp
We
shit.
call him little son.
That little son. I need that little son. We don't need no pimp shit. Nah, we ain't
We
with
got
that.
our own back. What?
Own back.
All
What?
the way.
Go. Queen Hosta. Tell him, girl. Tell
They
him.
don't even know. Let me see somebody. Let a Bentley pull up or something. I be like, oops, I dropped something.
Really, girl.
Really? It's all about this money out here. I mean, y'all bitches be out here fucking for free, and I ain't with all of that. Like, a nigga gotta break bread or get on. You feel me? Because I ain't playing none. A pimp, I am a pimp. I pimp all these niggas out of all they cash. What earrings cost about 2 racks. What bracelets, what cost about 5 G's.
Really,
I blaze nuns. What? They talk about red bottoms, bitch. Black bottom, try me. What? Bro,
Really?
I don't play none at all. Basically, I got so many haters. Like, they always hating because I be out here getting my bread. And, like, I be like, I mean, it's either get with us or don't get us at all.
You go, sister. You
feel me? Like, they be getting mad. Like, y'all getting mad at all of this for. I mean, you can't beat them, join them. And they obviously can't join us because they can't beat us.
Oh, really? That's my little sister right there. She really with the business. We not playing. We about our dough, nigga. If you got it, we about to take it.
I be out here just like this. I mean, I got tricks, all different ages, big mansions, all that. They wives be calling my phone time all this day, man with me. I be like, boo, been sent them home 30 minutes ago. You feel me? That's all he good for is a minute and we gone.
And if she ain't available, they can call me
And I
now.
go to my sis because I got a whole life. You know, I'm about to get married and all of that with 2 kids. I got a whole little family.
So don't you have a little son of your own?
I got a little son. He's
Introducing the little son. Come on, little son.
little son.
Come on. Hey, nephew. Hey, nephew. That's my nephew. That's my nephew, y'all. Look at my nephew.
It's my
He's
baby.
beautiful.
This is my little
It don't
son.
matter. We take care of him. My nephew got all the J's.
Everything he
Everything.
He gets
Rolling
While I'm up in there getting my dough, he be up in that car. He be up in that car playing that DSI because he know mama up in there getting that money. Huh, son?
We be getting that dough here.
See, rule number 1 is he don't tell nobody my business. So he talking about, he don't want to tell y'all because he know he's not supposed to tell mama's business.
Really? But my little nephew got that little Lexus parked outside in the front right
My
there
baby got a
waiting
car
till
already.
he gets
All you
16.
gotta do is get
And what?
16.
Get like us.
And one of my little tricks got him a car. I got a car too. I can take you outside.
I got a car
It's a
too.
gray Bentley. What? Gray rims and all that.
And fuck with my red Porsche truck out there if you want to.
Place no
If
money.
you want to.
Cost a lot.
Really, cause these
Money.
right here.
Or I close my legs to
These
you
right
dummies.
here.
We get the money, honey, or we close
That's
our
what
legs
gets
to
the
you
dough.
dummies.
That's what gets the dough. Oh, this right here. All I gotta do is go like this a couple times. I might make it swing out if you pay me right away.
That's what I'm talking about.
Really?
Get that
I'm gonna need 400 just to take my shirt off top.
Okay, for real.
Really?
We on TV, and this is not what they asked for. They asked for the host to come out, so I'm gonna need my son to go back there and show them how I get down. Little son, you need to get off the stage.
What? Yeah.
Get off the stage, little son, so they can show how they mama get
Cause
down.
I see people in the audience hating. I don't care what you saying, girl. You don't get more